Can anybody figure out what this is? Q1. I hear a vote for quartile. I love that. Rachel, oh Rachel, it's you. Quartile. I just heard a female voice. Quartile. Q1. So the first quartile?
The standard deviation.
The standard deviation. Another vote. I love that, the standard deviation. Anybody else? I will give you this. It's a measure of relative position. I like grouping it with the median. The median technically is a measure of relative position. It lives kind of in both places. It's a measure of center, and it's also a measure of relative position because it's halfway up from the bottom. So relatively speaking, what do you think the quartile is? What do you think? Be brave.
The quarters.
A quarter of the way up?
Yes.
So if we do, so in other words, thank you.
You have 36 and you divide it by 4. It's 29.
Oh! Where'd 36 come from? Oh, the max!
Yeah.
What if I put myself in here? 48. Why am I standing like that? 48. If I put myself in there, 48 divided by 4 is 12. Would that 9 change?
You mean?
No.
If I took the, who's 36 again? Tom. Get you out of there, put my 48 in instead. Take Tom out, who was 36. I stick my 48 in there. 48 divided by 4 is now 12. Does that mean that should now be 12? No, that will still be 9. This is good. I love what you're saying, Linda. Thank you for that. Thank you for that. That was wonderful. Good, 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 good.
Am I wrong?
In general, yes. Not to be a bastard. I'm not trying to be a bastard. I'm saying coincidentally it will work out that way sometimes, but in general it won't. It's a measure of position, not of the value of the number itself. Thank you. Very good, though. Thank you for that. I've never heard that before. Linda, go.
It's like talking about it, I think it's quarters away from the bottom, then it's going to be the 3/4 like close to the top.
Good. So what you're doing is, when we found the median before, we put all the numbers in order, yes? In one line. The median is the halfway point of 12 and 12. What that is taking each of those halves and cutting them, cutting them in half. You were correct to divide by 4, but you're just dividing the wrong thing by 4. You're not dividing the numerical value, you're dividing the positions of the numbers of it. Now, John, go ahead, what's on your mind?
Well, I was just going to say, is that like the median of the median?
Yes! It's the median of the lower half. Whereas the Q3 is the median of the upper half. And Kendra's like, oh my God, this is a lot to be picking up on a rainy day. Yes! Now there's a couple ways we can do it. Let's look. I want you to get the big picture first.